Welcome to episode 108 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at head and shoulders trade setup. Head and shoulders trade setup is another reversal pattern where we're looking for price to move lower. So price would have been going higher, and then we have a top in place, and then price starts to reverse from there. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to identify this trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit.
We're looking at head and shoulders trade setup here. This is Euro Pound 1 hour chart. In the head and shoulders trade pattern, we are looking at three different points. Essentially, it looks like a person. So we have a head in the middle, which is the highest point in the setup. And then we have a left shoulder and a right shoulder. So the left and the right shoulder are approximately at the same level. If one is lower, if the right hand is lower than the left, that one is okay as well, because that shows that the momentum is to the downside and price is moving lower, which is good as well. But overall, we just have three things that we look at: a head in the middle, which is the highest point where price goes and turns around, and prior to that, price does try to turn around before that. However, it fails and makes that one push higher, but then drops and tests the left shoulder again. So it will go and test the same level one more time, and then it will hold below that level before it drops and goes to the next support and resistance line, or we can do the one-to-one risk to reward ratio here. So once you see the left shoulder here like this, something like this form, and you see a head form, now we are looking for the right shoulder. So we have to wait on this setup. Once price comes and reacts at the same level, I would drop my support and resistance level, and then I wait for the price to react at that level. Once you see the price reacting and we see the price is holding below this level, this is a 1 hour chart, so we can see that the price has held below this level for several hours, and then we get a bearish engulfing candle right here. So that's a good sign. This is the time we would place our entry, and the stop would go above the head, making sure there is room for trade to breathe, and we enter the short and we wait for price to go to either the next support and resistance level, and then we can just exit the trade, or we can see if the price starts to go sideways, you can exit the trade then. Another way to mark your target level is you can also go one-to-one risk to reward. So basically, if you measure the point from your entry to your stop loss, you are looking for the same move in the next direction as well. So that's another way to set your target level. So just to recap, we are looking for three levels here. We have head in the middle and a left shoulder where price reacts before it pushes to the next level, and we have a right shoulder where price reacts again at the same level. Once we see price hold below the right shoulder here at the support and resistance level, we enter the trade short. Our stop goes above the head here, and we wait for price to come to either to the next support or resistance level, or we just take a one-to-one risk to reward ratio. So in this example here, we have between entry and exit here 55 pips in the trade, so our profit is 55 pips or $550 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this trade setup, please feel free to share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will be back with another great trade setup tomorrow.